Hi guys, today I'm inviting you to join me on my birthday trip to Aleco in the Vitosha Mountain. You will be able to enjoy some stunning views of the snowy mountain, and since I believe in the signs from the universe, I'm going to share with you a few signs that appeared in front of me to make me feel as if the entire universe was celebrating together with me. It's the 13th of February, and this gorgeous sunrise marks another year of my life. God, from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you for blessing me with another beautiful year. The first thing that I saw when I arrived to the mountain was this huge cloud formation that resembled an angel wing. For my birthday, I wanted to escape into the nature, and since the Vitosha Mountain is only about 10-12 kilometers away from Sofia, I have decided to take a trip and celebrate outdoors. Vitosha has emerged as a result of volcanic activity and is the oldest nature park on the Balkan Peninsula. The highest peak of the mountain is called Cherni Vrh, meaning Black Peak, and its altitude is 2,290 meters. Vitosha is worth the visit because the mountain offers perfect conditions for skiing in the winter and hiking during the summer. You can also enjoy some spectacular views towards Sofia. This wooden chapel is the Chapel of Holy Transfiguration, another good omen along my way. It must have been built recently because I haven't seen it before. The area surrounding the chapel is picturesque, and there are quite a few spots where you can take good photos. My friend brought for me a birthday cake, and I'm currently searching for a suitable place to light and blow the candle. As you will see, lighting the candle was a bit of a problem. I had to try several times because of the wind. It was kind of funny. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Angela. Happy birthday to me. I see. This is the double chair lift. If you wish, you can get it from Dragalevci and it will drop you off at the Goli Vrh, which is 1836 meters high. I didn't realize at first, but I was walking along trail number 13. So the number 13 was repeatedly appearing in front of me, and while 13 is considered to be an unlucky number, for me it's actually a good omen because this is the date when I was born. On the way up to the mountain, we took bus 66, and on the way back to Sofia, we decided to get the cabin lift. The ride from Alepo to Simeonovo, Sofia will take approximately 30 minutes, and in Simeonovo, there are plenty of buses that can take you to different areas of Sofia. Enjoy the ride together with me. As you can see, you don't need to spend a fortune to have a good time. I had a surprise picnic in the snow, the sky was blue, the sun was shining, and there were angel clouds spreading their wings above me. I had all the reasons to smile. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.